All right, here in Jakarta, this is my guy Roman right here.
All right.
He's another one of the crew members here on our crossing. We're just leaving hostel right now, and we're gonna go to meet up with the boat. So they just came in from another part of Indonesia, and we're about to catch a cab and head over to meet the boat. So here we go.
Pelabuhan buka nggak lewat sini Pipi ya, Bang? Hah? Nggak buka? Lurus depan jadinya ya?
This truck driver was killing backpackers. I went the whole ship to the whole Coast Guard. That's true. Oh. Hello. Hello.
Halo.
Hello, cool place, huh? Yeah.
Okay, the Royal Jakarta Night Market. Let's go check it out.
Halo.
Looks crazy out here.
Yeah, it did.
Wild, man. Friday night.
You guys, we're looking out for an Indonesian flag sticker. On your sticker on our mark.
There has to be food on these streets, right?
Yeah. Market there.
No, nobody.
That's the goreng, Jane. What's this one? What's on this one?
That's cool.
Yeah.
Ham sausage.
Ah.
Bakso. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll have that one too. Maybe this one, two.
Ayam sausage bakso.
Yeah,
cool.
Yeah.
Bagus. Oh, look at that. Tables.
Hey,
Oh,
this is
yeah.
This is good.
Terima kasih.
This is awesome.
Yeah.
It's mussels. Good noise.
Oh.
We're gonna get some mee goreng.
Mie goreng sama pecel.
That's the one. Bacur.
Ya, pecel.
Yeah.
Pecel
And
bakwan.
I'm gonna have that noodle there.
Ntar nanti antri ya. Pakai apa nih?
Oh, sorry, dude.
It sounds nice. It looks nice. It smells nice. I'm sure it's gonna taste nice.
This is the second meal. This is
Second dinner.
this is actually the second entree.
Yeah.
It's really cool because it's got the actual leaves here, like the banana leaf.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
it's really got a nice colour to it, hasn't it? Terima kasih. Alright, first bite. Next.
Okay.
Oh, Jen,
May I
just
have-
like in Bali.
May I have this one?
Oh, it's lovely. Just like in Bali.
Just like a Bali.
Yeah, it's tofu.
What? Russia? Russia? America? Australia?
Alright, homeboy. Ready?
Got your action camera?
Drive.
Hey, we could get 2 more people in here.
We can for sure, man.
We can actually rent it out! Woo!
Yeah.
We saved ourselves $3.
Oops.
I have 50 actually. No, hang on, wait. I have
Yeah.
50.
How much we need in total, man?
Give it to Jane. Jane's got the 50.
All right, so listen, tonight we had a blast. Basically, we went out in Jakarta, which is a city of 17 million people. It is definitely a third world country, but it's very beautiful. Every single day, we like it a little bit more. Is that not true, Roman?
That's true.
That's the truth. That's the truth right there. Love it. Just love it. I'm happy to be here. And let's live, baby.
This diesel here is what they have in this marina here, and it doesn't look any. This is actually probably a good sample. This is what we pick up in Malaysia, a nice little honey colour. When you get to the service station, that's the colour you want out of diesel, not with the red stuff at the bottom, but that's the colour you want.
We're on our way to the diesel station because the marina doesn't have diesel that's good enough for an engine. It actually looks like coffee when it comes out of the pump. So we're trying to leave today, and the diesel starts coming out almost coffee black, just horrible, putrid stuff. It would block up the engine and leave us stranded in the middle of the ocean, for sure. So what we had to do was actually order the diesel from a station. Now today is Saturday, so they can't order a truck. Shell won't deliver diesel Saturdays or Sundays. So then we just ordered this truck here, and now we're gonna fill up the diesel, get it back to the boat. They're gonna deliver it, and then we're gonna provision. But it's always like this when you're in a hurry. So hopefully everything else will go right. But we just have to check it out, see how it goes. And we're trying to do all of this without being able to speak to each other. So we're using translators. How much is it going to cost? And it's just been crazy back and forth, messengers and phone calls and crazy. So we need to buy 350 liters of diesel, which is going to cost us 4,375,000 IDR, which actually just comes out to $400 US. So this is the whole process here. We couldn't fill up the cans in jerry rig cans, which is all we had. They're plastic, so we had to also rent these metal ones so that we could fill up the diesel. Then they will transfer them into the plastic containers. So it's been crazy.
Hopefully these containers are clean, these drums, we don't know. So I think... That's company, of course it is, Jen used to work for them. Doesn't matter. How many litres do we get?
350. We got 350 liters.
We're supposed to get 250.
No.
Yes.
About 100 extra.
I've got 100 litres extra. That's... What would you buy from me? The rest?
No. You buy the container and then keep
Where can we buy? Where would you buy?
in front of the company.
Oh, you can buy it?
Yeah. You buy the container.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Hang on, you bought 350 litres.
350.
Yes, 350. My container's 200 litres. I have 150 litres too much. We're going to go shopping. We're going to get some money. We can give it to him then.
Pak mau, Bapak bayarin dulu Pak. Bapak bayarin dulu, nanti dia mau shopping ambil uang.
Everything is so difficult.
Bapak bayarin.
Like what? We got this hired mini truck, 2 old diesel canisters here, and then we're putting them in plastic drums to fill up our yacht to go to Africa. That's how it works in Indonesia. That's pretty cool.
Yes, that's me. Grab.
Okay,
Let's go. Yalla. Saddle up.
saddle up. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, so you don't have to pay your parking, dude, yeah.
Oops. Terima kasih.
Hey, what's up, Roman?
Oh, cool.
Man, so I'm not a millionaire anymore.
Okay.
How many kilometres do you think that was? I'd say that's about a kilometre away. And
Yeah,
it takes
it's
about
couple
half an hour.
And it was, what was it, $2?
$2, yeah.
Oh man, $2 Australian.
Potatoes, Roman.
Little bite into squid, alright, Roman? For our kimchi, Roman.
Oh,
That's for our
awesome,
kimchi.
awesome.
Yeah. So we got a fair bit of meat though. Get another packet of toilet paper, I suggest. So we're sorted for the next week. Alright. 1 week of food. So we're heading off very shortly actually. By the time we leave it's going to be dark. Thanks, Marcus.
Terima kasih.
We can leave now. I've got Indonesian sticker.
Cool.
Всем привет, мы покидаем Джакарту. Я делаю кофе для ребят.
Well, he said, I'm making coffee for everybody.
We're getting out of this marina. We're finally leaving goddamn Indonesia, dude. We've had enough. so we're untied now. So we're just going to take off now. So prepare and let's head off to South Africa. Peace.
Hey, we're on our way across the Indian Ocean. Let's go.
We left Jakarta after 5 days, which is 5 days too many. First stop, Krakatoa. Anak Krakatoa.